Introduce features with you. Search maybe in SIMMIS Cordless Pressure Washer, 5 MPa portable high-power washer with 6-in-1 adjustable nozzle, 20,000 mAh battery. Features highlight or overview summary are include. SIMMIS high-pressure washer makes cleaning easier. It's cordless so you can wash your car anytime and anywhere even if there is no socket or faucet. Equipped with a 20,000 mAh large capacity battery, it can work for 30 to 35 minutes after fully charged. You can not only use it to clean indoors, at yards, but also use it at outdoor places such as camping sites. The car washer is very small and lightweight. The washer and accessories are put in a compact storage box, which is easy to carry. The main body weighs only about 2 pounds, which is similar to the weight of a bottle of mineral water. Even women can easily operate it. There are not too many messy parts, installation just takes a few seconds. Equipped with a high-pressure pump head and high-efficiency pure copper motor, SIMMIS battery pressure washer is powerful. The sprinkler range can reach up to 9 meters, water pressure is up to 5 MPa, and the maximum water output is 216 liters per hour, thus you'll find the washer can remove dust, mud and stubborn stains in an instant. It's equipped with a foam kettle. You can add detergent and connect it to the pressure washer to get better cleaning effect. You can adjust spray mode with a single 6-in-1 spray nozzle, rotate to directions of 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, 120 degree, and shower mode. It can be used to clean stains or water plants. You'll get a 5-meter water pipe. It is very convenient to draw water. Put the water pipe into a bucket or pool, river, pond, or connect it to a faucet with the joint we provide. A Coke bottle filled with water can be connected to the washer with the connector we provide for water supply. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.